Are you ready for your opportunity to live in Minneola in a pool home? Let's go check it out. Check out this gourmet kitchen with this oversized island. It is so incredible. Imagine your family breakfast right here. And look at the light fixtures that this owner chose. It's so amazing. Let's go check out the rest of the house. So if you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home right in time for summer, this is it. Convenient access, all that you could ask for. Until next time, I'm Erica Diaz. Thanks.